The concept of multiverse or parallel universes is indeed a fascinating and mind-boggling area of scientific speculation. While it is not yet established as a proven scientific theory, it has gained significant attention and interest among physicists and cosmologists. The multiverse hypothesis suggests that our universe may be just one of many universes that exist, each with its own set of physical laws, constants, and conditions. These universes, often referred to as parallel universes or alternate realities, could potentially exist alongside our own, separated by vast cosmic distances or existing in different dimensions. There are several proposed variations of the multiverse theory, including bubble multiverse. This theory suggests that our universe is just one of many bubble-like universes that emerged from a process called cosmic inflation. Each bubble universe would have its own unique set of physical laws and properties. Many worlds interpretation, in quantum mechanics, this interpretation suggests that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple branches, each representing a different outcome. Each branch or parallel universe would correspond to one possible outcome of the quantum event. Brane multiverse. In this theory, parallel universes exist on separate branes, short for membranes, within a higher dimensional space. Each brane could have its own set of physical laws, and they may occasionally interact with each other. Landscape multiverse. This hypothesis arises from string theory and suggests that there are numerous possible configurations of the extra dimensions, giving rise to different universes with distinct physical properties. It is important to note that these multiverse theories are highly speculative and currently lack direct empirical evidence. They are primarily based on mathematical models, theoretical physics, and extrapolations from our current understanding of the universe. Scientists are actively exploring various ways to test or support the multiverse hypothesis, such as studying the cosmic microwave background radiation for evidence of collisions between universes or conducting experiments in particle accelerators to probe for extra dimensions. While the concept of multiverse or parallel universes is certainly mind-bending, it is important to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism until further empirical evidence is obtained. Nevertheless, the idea continues to captivate the imagination of both scientists and science fiction enthusiasts alike.